Hi everyone, welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there, good to see you again. I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. If you're new here, this is English Coffee Time, the channel where we speak slow, clear American English, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
We share long conversations regularly so you can listen while you drink coffee, walk, drive, or do chores. Just press play and enjoy.
Listening regularly is the fastest way to improve your English, so hit that red subscribe button now and tap the bell so you don't miss a new episode.
Exactly. We're happy you're here. Let's start today's chat.
Today we're talking about something exciting, traveling to Japan. Neo has been to Japan many times, and I'm planning my first trip there next year. I need tips.
Yes. Let's help Emma and you too. Japan is amazing. Food, culture, temples, technology, everything is interesting. We'll go slowly and explain everything.
Hey Neo, long time no see. How are you? I'm planning a trip to Japan and I'm excited but a bit nervous. Can you share your stories?
Hi, Emma. I'm great. I've visited Japan 3 times, Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. It's clean, safe, and very organized. I love the food and the people. I'll tell you step by step for our listeners. First, why Japan? What excites you most?
Cherry blossoms, temples, sushi, ramen, but I need to know how to plan. Where do I start?
First, pick the season. Spring, March to May for cherry blossoms, called sakura. Very beautiful, but crowded. Autumn, September to November, has colorful leaves, less crowded. Summer is hot and humid. Winter is cold but has snow festivals.
I see. Maybe April. How long should I stay?
2 weeks is good. You can see Tokyo, Kyoto, and maybe Osaka or Hiroshima. Don't rush. I went 10 days once and wanted more time.
Okay. Visa?
Depends on your country. Many countries don't need a visa for 90 days. Check the official Japan website.
Flights?
Book early, 3 to 6 months before. Use Google Flights or Kayak. From the US, direct flight 12 to 14 hours. Bring comfy clothes, neck pillow, water, walk sometimes. I watched movies and felt okay.
Money?
Currency is yen. Tell your bank. Bring a credit card. ATMs at 7-Eleven work with English. Don't change money at the airport.
Packing?
Pack light. Comfortable shoes, lots of walking. Layers. T-shirt, sweater, light jacket. Easy shoes for temples and restaurants. Universal plug adapter. Medicines. Prescription, painkillers, stomach medicine, hand sanitizer, masks.
Copies of documents?
Yes. Photo of passport, flight tickets, hotel bookings, save on phone and cloud. I lost my wallet in Kyoto, but had copies, saved me.
Oh, story?
Haha, yes. At Nishiki Market, lots of food stalls. I put wallet down, gone. But I had copies, canceled cards, police helped. Japan is safe.
Lucky. Safety tips?
Very safe. Watch pockets in crowds, like Shibuya. Don't leave things. Women feel safe even at night.
Airport arrival?
Land at Narita or Haneda. Immigration, say tourism. Customs, declare food over 1 million yen. Get luggage, buy SIM or pocket Wi-Fi.
Pocket Wi-Fi?
Small device gives Wi-Fi to your phone. Rent at airports or use eSIM. I connected multiple devices.
From airport to city?
Narita Express train, 30 to 60 minutes to Tokyo Station, or bus. Haneda, monorail or taxi. Taxi expensive, about 20,000 yen.
Transportation in Japan?
Shinkansen, bullet trains, very fast. Buy JR Pass for unlimited rides. IC cards like Suica or Pasmo for subway, bus, vending machines.
JR Pass?
Just about 50,000 yen for 7 days. Worth it for Tokyo to Kyoto. Activate at airport.
Where to stay?
hotels, ryokans, Airbnbs. Tokyo, Shinjuku or Asakasa. Ryokans, futon bed, onsen bath, yukata robe. Very relaxing.
Yukata, futon?
Yukata, light kimono. Futon, mattress on the floor. Onsen, hot spring bath, separate for men and women. No clothes, very relaxing.
Shy.
Haha. Rules, wash before entering the bath. You get used to it.
Itinerary for 2 weeks.
Day 1 to 5, Tokyo. Sensoji Temple, Tokyo Tower, Shibuya Crossing, street food. Day 6, Mount Fuji. Day 7 to 10, Kyoto, Kinkakuji, Fushimi Inari. Days 11 to 14, Osaka or Hiroshima. Osaka for food, Hiroshima for peace memorial.
Tokyo.
Huge city, 14 million people, mix of old and new. Asakasa, old temple, lanterns. Akihabara, anime, electronics. Harajuku, fashion, crepes. Cosplay people, fun.
Cosplay?
Dressing as anime characters, fun to see.
Shopping?
100 yen stores, cheap souvenirs. Department stores, kimonos, tea, tax-free for tourists.
Food?
Sushi, fresh fish on rice. Ramen, try tonkotsu pork. Tempura, fried veggies, shrimp. Street food, yakitori, taiyaki. Conveyor belt sushi, plates move, pick what you want.
Fun. Allergies?
Tell server. Allergy in Japanese, ararugi. Menus have pictures.
Phrases?
Konnichiwa, hello. Arigato, thank you. Sumimasen, excuse me. Hi, yes. Iie, no. Ego ga hanasemasu ka? Do you speak English? Many speak English in tourist areas.
Roleplay. Airport immigration.
I'm officer. Welcome to Japan. Purpose of visit.
Tourism. 2 weeks.
Where staying?
Tokyo. Hotel Sunshine.
Enjoy your stay. Stamp.
Ordering food.
I'm waiter. Irashaimase. Welcome. Menu here.
Sumimasen. English menu.
Yes. What would you like?
1 ramen, water.
Okay, coming soon.
Culture shocks.
Quiet on trains. No eating while walking. Take off shoes indoors. Bow when thanking. Trash bins rare. Carry your trash.
Festivals.
Summer Matsuri. Fireworks. Dances. Expo Osaka 2025. Robots. Flying cars demo. Food from many countries.
Hiroshima.
Peaceful. Atomic bomb dome. Museum. Miyajima Island. Floating torii. Deer.
Deer.
Friendly, but eat paper. Hold maps. I fed one, it bowed.
Kyoto temples.
Kinkakuji. Gold. Pond. Arashiyama bamboo forest. Peaceful. Monkeys at Iwatayama. Feed apples.
Monkeys. Bad experiences.
Lost on subway. Wrong direction. People helped. A student used phone translator.
Budget.
Flight, $1,000 to $2,000. Hotel, $100 to $200 a night. Food, $30 to $50 a day. Trains, JR Pass, $400. Total, $3,000 to $5,000.
Saving tips.
Eat at konbini, cheap bento, onigiri. Hostels, walk instead of taxi.
Weather.
Spring, 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Rain possible, bring umbrella. Autumn similar.
Earthquakes.
Common but building safe. Alert app. Drop, cover, hold on.
Souvenirs.
Green tea, chopsticks, fans, Kit Kat flavors, matcha, wasabi, sake.
Asking directions.
Sumimasen. Help?
Where nearest subway?
Go straight, turn left. 5 minutes.
Arigato.
Perfect.
Final tips.
Be open-minded. Try new things. Respect rules. You'll love Japan.
Thanks, Neo. I feel ready.
Anytime. Have fun.
So that was today's conversation about traveling to Japan.
We hope this helps you plan your trip or practice your English.
Now it's your turn. In comments, write, "Have you been to Japan?" Favorite part? Or where do you want to visit? Write in English.
If you liked this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on bell for new coffee chats regularly.
Thank you for spending coffee time with us. See you tomorrow.
Bye for now. Keep practicing.